What's going on, guys? Jay, that train guy. As you guys can see, we got a clogged toilet. Hopefully, we're able to clear this out. Apparently, so it's Monday right now, and they said that this backed up on Friday, and nobody came and did anything. So we're gonna see if we can get this cleaned up. We're gonna be using our rigid 6-foot auger with drop head. So this is a Niagara Stealth toilet. You guys know what we think about Niagara Stealth toilets. So it's got the whites insert right there. That right there is the siphon. And that can get plugged up. That's not the case today, but that can get plugged up, and that's why we don't like these. These toilets are trash. So we're going to snake it out again just to make sure we get everything cleaned up. So this video is most likely not going to be monetized because of the contents of the toilet. So if you guys like this kind of video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. That way more people can see the video. So I'm just going to try to raise up this slope a bit. That's lowering it. Give it some more paper. This is their plunger. Just basically want to make sure that this is not going to clog up again. So we did bring in everything if we did need to pull the toilet off, but luckily today that's not the case. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have ever dealt with these Niagara Stealth, or here they call them a Hennessy Henchcliffe. Almost done. Basically, we want to see it back up if it's going to back up. Last one. Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, this has been Jay, that Drain Guy, signing out. Clogged.